There are several advantages to this barbecue because I control the heat quite easily by just lowering or raising or lowering where it is in relation to the fire. I can raise it now so I can light the fire. The heat in the centre is quite hot and it gets cooler as you go out. So things that take longer to cook I place in the middle of the grill. And so I might start with chicken, pork, lamb, and then sausages on the outside. Alternatively, I could cook in the middle, and then when meat is ready to
rest on the outside.
Yeah, it rests on the outside. Now, the other beauty of it is if I've forgotten something and I need 2 minutes to run away, I just spin the whole thing and go for my little walk and do what I have to do, maybe get my beer and come back. So to light it, I use my little trusty chimney here. It's a 2-litre tomato can.
With some
holes on the bottom, so it works like a furnace. I then put a little piece of paper here like that, and maybe one of these burners here, which I can light. I should also mention my favourite kindling is in fact the seed pods of jacaranda tree.
Dried out.
They just fall off our streets lined with beautiful purple jacaranda trees, or the flowers are purple, and they make fantastic fire starters. Let's chuck a few in there now. Hopefully my matches will work. You know, a box of matches. Oh, it did. Can't believe it. There. Throw these here. Keep your head safe. Just throw a bit more.
So how long do we let this burn down with the
Oh,
charcoal?
I'll put charcoal in. This does take a while, probably a good half an hour before all the charcoal in it. I use a combination of charcoal and heat beads.
Yeah.
The charcoal has a lot more flame but doesn't last as long. The heat beads have less flame but last longer. So what I'll do now is, the charcoal also lights faster, so I'll throw in some charcoal first. Oh, that'll disappear. Now, because I'm anxious about those flames, I made a little grate here,
Oh, okay.
which I can either put down here,
Yeah.
like that, and then I'll drop this on top as well, so any sparks are minimised.
Yeah.
Again, that will settle down. Got the fire going, it's settled down. You just see the flames coming through, which tells me all the heat bead and the charcoal is burning. So it's a stage now to take off the little furnace and then add some more charcoal in there. So to do that, I'll just lift this up a bit.
So how long will this burn for, George? About 40 minutes, an hour?
The fire itself, a couple of hours maybe.
Couple hours?
Yeah. But I can keep adding to it because I've got access to it.
Yeah.
I'll just lift this up there. Okay. Let's set it. Charcoal. And then we come back in 20 minutes time and that'll all be working.
I've just stolen some stuff out of the garden.
Now that most of the heat beads and the charcoal have gone white, you know they're nearly ready to go. So what I do is just spread it out. Fairly evenly. Usually what I do is I put the bigger pieces in the middle. Because most of the heat needs to do. And in 4 or 5 minutes I'll put the meat on. That'll give me a chance to just clean this a bit more and put some oil on it. So if you come back in 5 minutes, yeah, we'll put the meat on and start.
Get the beers ready.
The fire has either melted or burnt most of the fat, and so I'm restoring some of it with a bit of the marinade. With some of it.
So what have you got in there? Oil, lemon,
oregano, lemon, garlic, salt.
Nice.
That's traditional Greek marinade.
Yeah.
Maybe marinade there. So that's okay. Side. Oh, because chicken takes the longest, I'll put the chicken in the centre. And what I can do now is give it a spin, and that gives me about 2 minutes to go and get my beer. See you in 2 minutes.
It's looking good, Georgie.
I've got nothing to do, sit and wait.
The best time.
I've turned the meat over and I've dropped the barbecue down a bit lower. It's cooking beautifully and I can just sit here, have my beer. I don't worry that it's going to burn because it's moving around slowly. You can have a look at it now, see what it looks like. Well, most of it is cooked now, so I'll take what I think is cooked off and just rearrange the rest after it's all done. You can have a quick look, see the chicken looks well done, and I like it like this.
Crispy.
Well, it's also healthier. It is, chicken's not cooking, but quite simple. I like it. And then some of the pork is good. Oh, actually, it's chicken on the edges. That's why I put it there. And more pork is ready. And sausage too, that one's ready. more, so put it to the centre. This one's ready. More. You hungry, Steve?
Sure am.
That's good.
Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. Hit that like button, the subscribe button and the bell icon. And we'll see you soon.